Hello students, myself Ketna Tandil from Vallabhbudhi Polytechnic Navsari. I am going to teach you about Swing, that is a part of our subject Advanced Java Programming. Swing relies in Unit 2, that is Abstract Window Toolkit. Now, as we know, Java Foundation class provide two ways for graphical user interface. One we have already learned, and that is abstract window toolkit components. And in this session we are going to learn about the other facility provided by the JFC, and that is known as Swing. Now first we will see what is Swing. Swing is a set of classes that provide more powerful and flexible components than AWT. It provides very familiar components like button, checkbox, text field, text area, label, and it also provides tabbed pane, scroll panes, and tables, trees that is not provided by the AWT components. In Swing button, we can also set the text or image, and it can be changed as per the button's state changes. The Swing components or classes are contained in Java X.Swing packages. So if you want to use Swing components in your program, you have to import Java X.Swing package in your program. Now, what are the key features of Swing component, or why it is necessary to introduce this Swing? Now, Swing is 100% Java component and it is platform independent. So, platform independent means if you make an application using Swing component and if you change your OS, its look and feel will not change as per your OS. While in AWT, if you change your OS, your look of application will be changed. So Swing is a platform independent and 100% Java component. So before every Swing component, we have JText. For example, JButton, JText, JLabel, JApplet, JWindow, where J stands for Java. It differentiates its component from AWT components. Now, what are the other features of Swing component? They are more dynamic component. And more complex component. For example, JTree, JTable, JFileChoosers, which are more complex component than the normal AWT component. They are more dynamic, so we can add more functionality easily than AWT in Swing component. It follow containment model for its root containers for such as JApplet, JFrame, JDialog to hold the other components. It has extensive support through auxiliary APIs and it has a new layout manager that is known as box layout manager to manage the components. It has pluggable look and feel which is platform independent, and it has accessibility, means we can design special Swing applications which has support of hardware and software which is made for the special needs. Now, this is a Swing class hierarchy just like the AWT class hierarchy over here, and as I said, every component has J letter before it, where J stands for Java, because Swing components are 100% Java components. Now we will see the difference between AWT and Swing તમને એક્ઝામમાં ઘણીવાર AWT અને સ્વિંગનો ડિફરન્સ 2 થી 4 માર્ક્સ માટે પૂછાઈ શકે છે. તો AWT stands for Abstract Windows Toolkit, while Swing is a part of JFC Java Foundation classes. AWT components are heavyweight, while Swing components are lightweight. AWT components require java.awt package, while Swing components require javax.swing package. AWT components are platform dependent, while Swing components are platform independent. AWT components are not very good in look and feel, while Swing components have different look and feel better than the AWT component. Now we have JApplet, JLabel, JTextField and JButton, checkbox, radio button, JCombo box, JTapped pen, JTree as our Swing components, and in our next session we will see the event handling for both Swing and AWT components, and then we will see the programs of event handling both using AWT components and using Swing components. There is a minor difference between the AWT components and Swing components. You have to remember that if you want to use button in AWT, you have to write button class, while for Swing components, to differentiate it from AWT component, they have put J before the button class. So you have to write J button. In AWT, applet is only applet, while in Swing, applet is J applet. Frame is frame, and in Swing, frame is J frame. So to differentiate between AWT and applet component, you have to put down the J letter before every component. And there is some component which is not supported by the AWT. For example, tree, tab, pen, table, that is not provided by the AWT component. In checkbox, in AWT, checkbox is written as only C capital, while in Swing, J, C and B. In checkbox spelling, J, C and B for box is also capital. So there is a very slight difference in syntax of Swing, which make different it from the AWT component. For this session it's over, and in next session we will learn about the event delegation model, and after that we will do the programming of event handling using AWT and Swing component as well. Thank you.